What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and it is kind of a gloomy and rainy day here in Tennessee, and yeah, of course it's winter, and so it's all good, you know, that's par for the course. But my email and my website and contact forms and stuff have been blowing up with people asking questions about one specific event, and what I try to do on this channel is cover whatever it is you're talking about. So if you want to know about the Coyote Swap, I'm going to cover as much of that as possible. If you want to know about the beater, I'll talk about the beater. But the questions I've been getting are about Mustang Week 2018. And so what I want to do today is just kind of go over what is Mustang Week all about, you know, what's the what, and just, you know, give you like a preview of what Mustang Week is, what you can expect, and why you should most definitely go. Okay, so where is Mustang Week? Mustang Week is in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's September 3rd through the 9th. It's basically a week-long events, and there's events every single day. There's a drag day. There is the massive car show, which spans over 2 days. And then they've got the big meet and greet, which totally fills up an entire mall parking lot for the most part. Then you've got the circle track event, which also includes you know, like autocrossing, stuff like that. And so it's like every single day there's some sort of event going on, and then at night is where the good stuff happens. But anyway, first of all, before we get into all of that, let's just do like a quick walk around so you can kind of see like what the car show is all about. And roll it.
Around the show field a little bit. Oh yeah, showed you this one earlier. Terminator swapped. We're gonna try to talk him into a ride later. We'll have to see. Sweet. Out a little bit. I have to get in there and get the booth broke down here shortly.
Alright, so you will have to bear with me a little bit on the videos. These were videos that I did live to my Facebook page. Go check out the Facebook page, definitely. And so they're not the greatest quality, and they were filmed in portrait instead of landscape. So they're kind of zoomed in a little bit. But I wanted you to get a feel for it because you got to know what you're missing when you go to Mustang Week. Because it was probably the craziest event I've ever been to, and trust me when I say I've been to a lot of events. The other thing that was super cool is they did the first trade show, which is kind of like SEMA or PRI, but unlike those two events, it's actually in it's inside, obviously, and then anybody can get in it. So I'm gonna give you like just a quick taste of what the trade show was like when we were getting the Foxcast Media booth set up. So check it out.
Getting everything set up. Getting the cars ready. There's the man right there. You see that? That's the man.
Tired, man.
Carlos Sabrino.
I can't believe I have to polish my car.
He actually washed his car today, so I'm proud of him. Loving it. Got the bros right here. Mike's car is in.
You have no idea what I'm looking at right now.
I appreciate it, man. What's up this weekend, man?
Kevin's car. Hold on, where's Matt? Where's Matt?
What up, what up, what up?
brother? Matt MPD.
Live on the
There he
Foxcast
is.
Podcast, yeah! What's up?
Check it out. Look at all the goodness. Mother of God. This is just like too much.
If you ain't here, you should be.
Exactly. Don't miss it. Get in the car now.
Okay, so what was another one of the events? The circle track at the Myrtle Beach Speedway. That was insane. You could actually go around the track, and then in the infield there they had like cone racing or autocross, whatever you want, roll, small closed course. But that was really cool because most of the racing I ever have done has been in a straight line, and to see these cars, flying around 100-mile-an-hour plus at the track was cool. But here's a quick clip. Check it out.
Yeah, I love the car blue. I don't know how long the rain's supposed to hold out, but you can see there's quite a few people out here. On the track. Stuff going everywhere. Hey, we know this guy. Who's this guy? What's going on, brother?
Oh, not much.
Doing all right?
Oh yeah, trying to out, bro.
Yeah, we're just out here hanging out, showing everybody what's going on. Where's the car at?
Hiding over there.
I got you. You gonna take it out on the track?
I've done it earlier this morning.
I got you.
Thrash.
Hoping to catch it. We just got here. This guy here said, hey, we gotta get out of the house.
God, I'm always on
These two guys picked us up and said, come on, we're going. So decided to come out and see what's up. But as long as the rain stays away, we're gonna party.
Oh, it's gonna stay away.
That's right.
It better stay away. We're gonna do a rain day. Retro party tonight. That's right. That's right. Inside or outside. It's gonna be called Wetro party.
Yeah, exactly. As you can see, though, lots going on. Let's get up here by the track a little bit. There's the official Mustang Week car. All set. Super long line of cars coming out.
All right, so the other part of Mustang Week, sorry for the wind, that everybody loves is the nightlife. So after all the planned daily events happen, then everybody kind of goes out and eats and, meets up at these different places. And also sponsors organize their own, kind of meet and greet things, which preview, I will have a Foxcast Media meet and greet at Mustang Week 2018. Stay tuned for details on that. But I want to give you just a little taste of the nightlife. Now, I got to do a quick disclaimer. Mustang Week does not advocate for people doing burnouts and acting crazy, especially in the street. I do not advocate people doing burnouts in the street or acting crazy or violating any local laws or ordinances. However, you're not going to stop anybody from doing it. It's just the reality. I don't care what event you go to anywhere in the country, whether it's LS Fest or Hot Import Nights or Mustang Week, people are going to do burnouts. So no advocation whatsoever on my part or Mustang Week, but it's just going to happen. And, okay, it's kind of fun to watch sometimes. So, but anyway, here's just a quick taste of the nightlife at Mustang Week. And roll it.
sponsoring Corona Extra.
What's up, bro?
Yes, sir. We know that's you.
That's right. What's going on, guys? So I started this live stream, and what happens when I start the live stream? Everybody stops doing burnout.
Hooligan shit, man. Fucking hooligan shit. Mustang Week 2017.
That's right.
This is
That's
the
right.
man right here. Yes, sir.
Good to see you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Good to see
Massachusetts in the house. Massachusetts in the house.
So we're all standing out here, and I start the live stream, and now nobody's doing burnouts. What's the deal? Takers.
Here we go. Foxcast.
There we go. We need.
Let them know. Let them know it's for Foxcast. You're on the
Uh-oh. Got a
Live
GT500.
stream. Live stream for Foxcast, baby. Let it rip, Tanner Jim. Make sure you hold it now.
Crowd control. Crowd control.
Getting paralyzed in 3, 2.
And he's still going.
All right, so I think you're starting to get the idea of why Mustang Week is so awesome, why everybody's always talking about it. I'm totally hooked. There's a ton of events that I'm going to be at this week. I wish I was going to an event this year. But as I said, I've been getting blasted with emails and inbox with questions about Mustang Week. Even though it's not till September, everybody wants to know. So, like I said, whatever you're talking about, I want to cover for you. So, this is why we're doing this. So, make it to Mustang Week. You will not regret it. It's not till September, so you've got 8 months to plan and budget and all of that stuff. So just make sure you're there. There was people that came from Canada, Nebraska, Iowa, Texas. I mean, from all over the place. Maybe farther. I don't know. But if you go to my Facebook page, I did a live stream where 2 of my subscribers drove their Fox bodies from Canada. Over 22-hour drive in their Fox bodies, not trailer, to Mustang Week. So I don't want to hear it if you live in Texas or Arizona. You're not farther than Canada. So definitely plan on making it. I promise you will not want to miss it. All right, so if you want some more information, you can go to thefoxcast.com. I've got an events place on the website, and it is also linked to mustangweek.com, where you can get all the info there as well. I think they're still kind of finalizing everything because we are still 8 months out. But go and check those out if you need more information. If you're planning to go, get your lodging in order fast because everything books up. If you're wanting to go in the car show, you need to go to the Mustang Week Facebook page and follow them because they will announce that the car show is open for registration. And in 24 hours, all 700 or so spots are completely gone. So do not hesitate because you'll miss out. But anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope that answered some questions and all that good stuff for you. And if you have any others, like I said, Mustang Week on Facebook, their website, or hit me up with a message, whatever you want to do, and you won't regret it, I promise. So, in the meantime, if you like this upload, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll holler at you next time. Later, guys.